Hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me, and I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all. So if you guys are new here, my name is Jessica. Most people call me Jess, and welcome to my channel, Jess Living Life. So right now, today is Thursday. You guys have probably already seen the clean with me that I did. That was a power hour. This is just a continuation because I still need to clean, but right now I am currently working. And so the kids are at school, all three of them. Joe is downstairs working, I'm working, but I have a break in between at this time. So right now it is 10, hold on, not sure if y'all can see, 10:12. I am upstairs, gotta swap out the laundry, listening to Wendy Williams on The Breakfast Club. And so I'm doing that, swapping out the laundry. I gotta get the stairs cleaned off. I got the kids get your crap baskets downstairs, so I just need to put everything in there and bring it up here, and then I need to clean their rooms. And so in the meantime, in between time, I'm gonna be working and cleaning because I don't want to be cleaning on the weekend. Ain't nobody got time for that. Tomorrow we have a busy day. It is Carmen's sneaker ball. So it's like a father-daughter dance. And so Joe and her are going. So I've got to flat iron her hair today. Also Leah's best friend Dylan, she is going to be doing a dance for school, so we're going to go support her and go see her dance. It's like a recital, so we're going to go see that. And Saturday we were supposed to go to a birthday party, didn't go to the birthday party. Well, we're not going to the birthday party because it's canceled because the place where the birthday party was going to be at had a fire. So yeah, so our Saturday is free, our Sunday is free, which is nice. So yeah, so we are going to get some cleaning done, get this house back in tip-top shape, okay? And so if you guys are needing some motivation, I'm just here just giving you guys some relatable content, relatable mom life, work life, wife life, all of that, because I'm just an average everyday mom that's working and doing all this stuff to make sure her family is good. So if that is something that you guys like, then you're definitely gonna love this channel. And so I can't sit here and get done what I need to get done if I'm here talking with y'all. Y'all always be getting me distracted. And so let me go ahead and swap out this laundry because I got a lot of clothes that I need to fold up later. That's another thing. So let's go ahead and get the show on the road, start getting our tasks done for today because we got things to do and we gotta be in motion. So y'all get y'all stuff so y'all can be in motion too. Let's go ahead and swap out these clothes.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you got it right. Body rude is polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go road tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's live where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Y'all heard me earlier mention that I had to do the get your crap baskets. And I didn't really explain. So get your crap baskets is just my way of saying, hey, get y'all stuff and take it up these stairs. When I'm cleaning downstairs, I don't want to take the time to just keep walking up and down the stairs. Y'all, I'm tired in these knees, okay? And so it's easier for me to just put everything on the stairs and then put it in its own individual like baskets, no pun intended, so that way they can go and put their stuff upstairs, because Who's doing all that walking back and forth? Not me. And so this is just an easy way for me to keep the stairs clean and for everybody to grab their stuff all at one time.
Nothing could have made me believe. No one could have convinced me. Had to use my own 2 eyes to see. 'Cause always make you think you go.
All right, so it is a little bit later, y'all, and I'm in here on the phone talking with my mom. So if y'all see me running my mouth, I am not talking to myself, but I'm in here talking to my mom on the phone and cleaning up Carmen's room. And she loves these mini brands, y'all. Comment below if your kids love mini brands. Between mini brands and Squishmallows, y'all. And so I'm just in here deep cleaning and organizing things. We have gotten some new gifts because of course Carmen's birthday and things of that nature. So just trying to make sure that we are maximizing the amount of space that she has in her room for the toys that she wants. And she also plays with this Barbie dream house religiously. And so we cannot actually get rid of this. She absolutely loves it. And I'm going to let my baby play with Barbies as long as she wants. But I'm in here deep cleaning this room because y'all, it is a travesty, okay? It is a hot mess express. And so I will be in here getting this clean. I typically do the deep clean throughout the week. So that way I can have my weekends off like I mentioned. But y'all, I had to get this thing done because, baby, this room is a mess. Y'all see it.
Straight through your teeth. That's your loss, it's not on me. 'Cause tonight I'm going out. Work it out with a few drinks. One for the day that I learned. 2 for the bridges you burned. 3 for the chances you had. And 4 for the bitches you bagged. And 5 for never being sad. No. 1 for the drama you caused. 2 for the number of draws I felt. 3 for the promises made. And 4 for the way that you break them. 5 shots won't take no more. 5 shots won't take no more. Won't take no more. Am I in the twilight zone? Or am I just a fool so wrong for loving you? But you forgot that I'm a shooter, think I'll take a bite. I'll lay you to rest in pieces. No picture on a t-shirt, like you never existed. I'm done being a victim. This my villain era, look out. I go hard for my heart, play with her, it go down. Now you blocked, don't make a sound. Don't wish you no harm, but I hope that no good come around. In my space,
Carmen's bed. I'm gonna end up getting the rest of this stuff up off the floor, vacuuming and doing all of those things. I did it off camera. But now that is completed, y'all, I'm finally getting these get your crap baskets and taking them upstairs to put them in the kids' rooms. But that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you all on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.
To my job now. Oh, you realize what you lost now. I've been pressure never stop now, but I'm way too good at goodbyes. Bet you thought grass was green on that other side. Oh.